In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel into Smartsheet. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, plus a few tips to make sure your data comes in clean and ready to use. First, head to the Smartsheet homepage and make sure you're signed in. This is your starting point for creating anything new. From home, click Start a new project, program, or process. This opens the creation window where Smartsheet offers templates and other ways to begin. You'll see template suggestions grouped by role, including options for company management and more. Templates are great when you need structure, but for an import, we're keeping it simple. Choose Start from Scratch so you can bring in your Excel data directly without extra pre-built fields. Next, click Import. This tells Smartsheet you want to create a new sheet from an existing file instead of building it manually. When the import options appear, select Microsoft Excel and CSV. Smartsheet recognizes common spreadsheet formats, so this is the right choice for .xlsx, .xls, and .csv files. You'll now see the Import Microsoft Excel Files screen. Click Select and choose the file from your computer or connected storage. Before you upload, a quick tip. Clean up your spreadsheet first. Put clear headers in the first row, remove blank top rows, unmerge cells, and make sure dates and numbers are consistently formatted. If your workbook has multiple sheets, place the data you want to import on the first sheet or export only the sheet you need. After you've selected the file, click Continue. Smartsheet will validate the file and prepare to map your columns. Give your new sheet a clear name. Pick something descriptive so you and your team can find it easily later. If you organize your work in specific folders or workspaces, make sure you're in the right location before proceeding. Finally, click Import. Smartsheet will create a new sheet from your file. Column headers in your Excel file become column names in Smartsheet, and your rows are brought in as grid rows. Keep in mind that embedded formulas typically come across as values, and images or complex formatting won't transfer. After the import, scan your columns and adjust their types if needed. Set dates to date, numbers to text, number, and convert any fields that should be drop-downs or checkboxes. This helps with sorting, filtering, and reporting down the line. And that's it. You've successfully imported your Excel file into Smartsheet. Save your changes, share the sheet with your team if needed, and you're ready to start collaborating.